welcome back to Meshascorner. So this is my Cinco De Mayo edition. You know I'm the drink queen, so you know the drinks are coming. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a chili lime roasted salmon. And there's a gnat in my room distracting me, but I'm going to keep it cute and keep going. I can't wait for you guys to try it and see it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm definitely going to try it at the end. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my reaction. Alright, this is my entire salmon steak right here, and I decided to chop it up. You don't have to chop it up. The same exact recipe stands if you want to leave it whole. These are the seasonings I'll be using: the tasty, zingy cilantro lime seasoning, chili powder, honey, butter, and lime zest. This recipe is so easy and simple, it's silly. To my little pot, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter, some honey, not too much because this is not meant to be a sweeter salmon recipe. It's more so it's going to help the seasoning to stick as well as add some flavor. So now I'm going to work on a spice blend. I'm going to add some chili powder, some lime zest, and the lime zest is just going to pick that flavor straight on up. I'm going to add the tasty Zest cilantro lime seasoning. I'm doing about 1.5 tablespoons of each one, but it all depends on how many pieces of salmon you guys are making. So you want to add your salt and your pepper, mix this up, and this is what we're going to season the salmon with. Once you melt that butter down into the honey, you want to brush your salmon. You want to melt the butter. Don't boil the butter because we are going to boil the remaining that's left in the pot. And I'll show you guys that later on in the video. Next, you want to take your little spice blend that we mixed up earlier, and just put it all over the salmon. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. I'm going to bake this off for about 20 minutes or so. This is what it looks like, and this is the rest of the butter and honey. Now remember earlier I said that I'm going to put it back on the stove so it can heat up for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it reduced, and this is what I ended up with. So once the salmon is out the oven, still nice and hot, you want to pour the remaining honey butter over the salmon. So don't do this when the salmon cools down. You need to do it while it's hot. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's so delicious and awesome, and stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so big old fork. This is the salmon. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Don't even ask me what that is next to the salmon because I'm not making that recipe. Don't even ask me. Okay. Ooh, hot. Ooh, ooh, hot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't know why I'm gonna cool off. Ooh, ooh. Baby. First thing I get is that lime and that tasty seasoning. It's good, y'all. I wish I could give y'all some. I cooked it for 20 minutes only because it was like, what, 6 pieces? It was a whole steak and I cut it in 6 pieces, and that's why I did 20 minutes. Now if it was like 1 piece of salmon, it would have been like maybe 10 minutes. I wish my phone would focus some more. Don't start with me, y'all, but this good too. This good too. This is tea. But like I was saying, this is good too. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.